Let's start where we left off by finding C position on our keyboards. If you will look at the diagram here below, you will see that we will start with finger 1 of our right hand on middle C. I can line up my fingers, 1 finger per key, and then I have my fingers in place, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on C, D, E, F, and G. Now I'll do the same with my left hand, starting with my pinky on the C below middle C. I'll line my fingers up 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on C, D, E, F, and G. And now I'm in C position. Notice that when I am in C position, I should have 2 white keys in between my thumbs. This is how you know that your hands are in the right place. Now find the 2 black key group. We've already done that. Never mind. To play our next song, we will move by step. When the note heads, which is the oval part of the notes, move up, we will step up. When the note heads move down, we will move down. We can follow the note names as we play, or we can look at the finger numbers. Let's look at exploring seconds. Let's see, we'll move the keyboard up here. Watch as I play. C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C, D, E, F, G, G, G. Left hand. G, F, E, D, C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C, C, C. The 2 lines and 2 dots tell me to repeat, so I'm going to go back to the beginning. C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C, D, E, F, G, G, G. Left hand. G, F, E, D, C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C, C, C. Notice that I played forte the first time through and piano on the repeat. Let's move on and look at thirds. A third is an interval that is sometimes called a skip. The interval of a third skips a key, skips a letter name, and skips a finger. Notice what the notes would look like if our keyboard was an actual staircase. Notice how they skip over a step. To play our next song, we will put our fingers back in C position. This time, we will only use fingers 1, 3, and 5 in the right hand, fingers 3, 5, and 1 in the left hand. So here I am in C position, but I'm going to be skipping over fingers 2 and fingers 4 as I play. I'm going to start with the right hand and then move on to the second line of music, which is for the left hand. Watch as I play. 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 5, 3, 1, 3, 5, 2, 3, 4. Left hand. 5, 3, 1, 5, 3, 1, 1, 3, 1, 3, 5, 2, 3. Repeat. C, E, G, C, E, G, G, E, C, E, G, 2, 3, 4, C, E, G, C, E, G, G, E, G, E, C, 2, 3, 4. Let's take a look at the staff. Music is written on a staff. A staff has 5 lines and 4 spaces. We always count these lines and spaces from the bottom going up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines, or 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces. If a note is written on a line, it will have a line going right through its middle, like a shish kebab. If it is written on a space, it will not have a line going through it. In piano music, we actually use two staffs. The top staff is what we call a treble clef staff. This is a treble clef. The word treble means high, and the treble clef is used to play the notes that are above middle C. The bottom staff uses what we call the bass clef. This is a bass clef. The bass clef, bass means low, and the bass clef shows us all the notes below middle C. When we join the treble clef and the bass clef staffs together with a brace on the left side, then all of these together we call a grand staff. Music for the piano is written on a grand staff. Most of the time, the right hand will play the treble clef notes, and the left hand will play the bass clef notes. You can see here how middle C rests right between these two staffs.